enough. You're gonna love my basting sauce. So get a firm grip on these ribs now, baby. You can lay my sausage in your bun. I can watch you gobble it up. Barbecue, barbecue. There ain't nothing I'd rather do than lay right here in the bed with you and eat your barbecue. Show 'em that bacon torpedo there. Show that beef missile down way. Well, I like tender meat. Lord, when it's sweet and juicy, with a glaze of sugar, curing, sparkling like a deer. Make plenty of baby, baby. We can spread it all over your country ham. Lay it out on a bed of cornbread just like me and you. Well, barbecue, barbecue. There ain't nothing I'd rather do than lay around here in the bed with you and eat your barbecue. Oh. There ain't nothing I'd rather do than lay around here in the bed with you and eat your barbecue. Hey, barbecue, barbecue. There ain't nothing I'd rather do than lay around here in the bed with you and eat your barbecue.